Hello, this is Julia Nadine Bauer from ATS Life Sciences Marketing. I'm here today with Steve Wardell, Manager of Imaging and Vision Engineering at ATS Life Sciences. Hello, Stephen. Thanks for taking the time for the interview.
Hello, and thank you very much for having me.
So, with COVID-19 on everyone's mind, what challenges will manufacturers face as they develop ways to provide safe vaccines to the market?
Well, the first challenge obviously is the development itself of the vaccines, which everyone's looking for and everyone wants sooner rather than later. There's many companies out there, as you know, working towards this goal. But another challenge is the assurance of the quality of the vaccines. The vaccines that they produce are in fact safe. And this is where ATS has a role. We know that the vaccine manufacturers use automated inspection systems to help prove that their vaccines, the ones that they provide to the market, are defect-free and high of quality. ATS designs, builds, and implements automated visual inspections. And in fact, one of our systems is a proprietary product called Lyoscan, which is designed to inspect lyophilized or freeze-dried vials of vaccine. When installed on the customer's manufacturing line, it can inspect every vial that passes through it to increase the confidence in the compliance of the vaccine with predetermined quality standards that our customers set.
So, can you tell us a little more about how it works and how it helps to alleviate the challenges with vaccine inspections?
Sure, the Lyoscan products built with the latest state-of-the-art vision systems. We have 26 different cameras doing upwards of 40 different inspections on each and every vial at the rate of up to 500 parts per minute. That's a lot of inspections in a very short period of time and for a lot of product. We have to use the very best technology to provide this type of solution. But it's not just the camera systems, the lighting and the optics, it's also how we handle the vials as they travel through these machines at high speeds. We want to make sure that we don't damage it any further as they're being processed. We use also the latest and best in class software and techniques to analyze the images that are captured by the inspection system. In fact, the last couple of years have been pretty exciting in this regard because we've been expanding our capabilities on the software side of things for using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques.
Well, there has been a lot of attention in the media about artificial intelligence and its applications. So, how are you using it with regards to vision inspection?
Well, you're right. AI really has been gaining ground these days, and there's a huge potential for it in the area of quality inspection. A consistent problem with machine inspection has been false rejects. If perfectly acceptable products being falsely rejected by a system, it's not good for either the manufacturer or the end customer. There's ends up being less product making it into the marketplace, and as a result, costs go up. And this is where we found AI has a potential for being able to help. Recent advancements in hardware, the enhanced speeds of CPUs and processors, the availability of storage systems for large amounts of data, all of these things have further enabled us to implement AI algorithms that work efficiently and cost effectively. ATS has embraced AI and incorporated it into our systems. These AI and machine learning algorithms allow us to look at inspections in a different way that we typically did with classical means. If we think about the false reject problem for a moment, we know false rejects occur because we design and build the systems and tune the inspections to error on the side of safety. Sometimes defects are difficult to describe in a fully concise way that they're less accurate as a result in their detection. Where you and I may look at a defect and logically draw a pass or fail conclusion based on, our training or our experience and exposure to the problem, classic machine vision relies on very precise definitions. So if the definition is imperfect or incomplete, vision systems are typically set up to act conservatively. for obvious reasons, and thus creating artificially higher defect rates. But with AI, inspection systems can be taught what people know innately. This approach is a huge advancement, and for manufacturers and customers, it allows us to potentially reduce some of those defect rates that we've previously seen.
Okay, so that does sound exciting and very beneficial, especially as there are a lot of people who are going to want to be inoculated against COVID-19. So thank you, Stephen, for taking the time to speak with us. I'm going to direct our interested listeners to contact you directly if they have any more questions. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.